S. We're now at part 3 of our Lego series on our first Lego set on it, and that we're putting on top of here, right? And I'll make it even more epicer with Steve on top. Here, see, this is how to play features. I forgot to show you on the first time we done this because most of our episodes we're going to show us stuff, but now we're putting this on. How awesome is that? Hey, want to see something epic? Okay. Oh, let's go down the diving board. Yay! Hello, my name is Steve. Ah! Boop. That hurted me. See you guys later. No. Subscribe and like. Subscribe so many times.